Dear children, welcome to all of you in English class. Hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear children, today we will do the exercise of chapter 4, that is the ashes that made trees bloom, of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, as you know that we already read this chapter in previous two parts in previous lectures. Dear children, I also divided the exercise of this chapter in two parts. Dear children, today we will do first part. The first part contains comprehension check and working with the text. Let's start. Dear children, the comprehension check is written on page number 60 of your book. The first question under this comprehension check is, why did the neighbors kill the dog? The answer of this question is, the neighbor furious at dog and killed, because the dog had taken them to a foul smelling dead kitten. Instead of, they have expected the dog to help them get a treasure. Now question number second, mark the right item. Dear children, this question contains further three questions. This is a multiple choice question. Now let's start. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. Choice number 1, because it helped them in their day-to-day work. Second choice is, as if it was their own baby. And third choice is, as they were kind to. The right one is, as if it was their own baby. Now second question. When the old couple became rich, they, first one, gave the better food, invited their greedy neighbors to a feast, or lived comfortably and were generous toward their poor neighbors. Now the right answer of this question is, lived comfortably and were generous toward their neighbors. Now third question is, the greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make, first choice is rice pastry and bean sauce, magic ash to win rewards, or a pile of gold. The right answer is a pile of gold. Now dear children, we will do working with text which is written on page number 63 of your book. The first question under this is, the old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? The answer of this question is, in the first paragraph it is written that the old farmer loved the dog as though it was their own baby. He fed the pet with tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks and all the boiled rice from it wanted. In second paragraph, it was written that he provided the food to the birds. Both these instances proved that the old man was patient and kind person. Now question number second. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? The answer of this question, the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. The farmer initially ignored the dog, but the dog winning and running to and fro for some minutes. Then the farmer followed the dog a few yards to a place. In that way, it led the farmer to the hidden gold. Now, question number 3. The first part of this question is, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? The answer of this question is, the spirit of the dog appeared to him in the dream and said, cut down the pine trees over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and a mill for your bean sauce. With the mortar and mill, it gave the farmer heaps of gold and become rich. In that way, the spirit of the dog helped the farmer firstly. Now, second part of this question is, how did it help next? The answer of this question is, the spirit of the dog appeared to him again in the dream and said, take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they will bloom again. He sprinkled them on Domio's palanquin, and it burst into blossom and was awarded with many gifts. In that way, The spirit of dog helped the farmer next. Now question number 4. Why did the daimyo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act? The answer of this question is, the good farmer scattered a pinch of ashes over the daimyo's palanquin and it burst into blossom. The daimyo was delighted with this wonder and thanked him and was awarded him with lavish gifts, whereas the covetous neighbor threw a handful of ashes over the daimyo, which doesn't change into particle. Moreover, the wind blew the fine dust in the noses and eyes of the daimyo and his wife. It spoiled all pomp and dignity of the procession. This results to punish his neighbor for the same act. So dear children, these are the questions which comes under comprehension check and working with the text. Hope that all of you are understand these questions. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about these questions as well as the chapter. Thank you. Be happy and safe.